Yes, sir.
Rishita, you remind me the last 10 minutes. Before the 10 minutes, Rogan, you remind me, we'll discuss about the J component.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
And last 10 minutes, Rishita, you remember, please remind me, I want to take the attendance today.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. So, this is what we have seen yesterday. And this is the organization chart of the finance function. You know, the major role which in any organization, I told there are 4 major departments, 5 major departments, that is finance, HR, marketing, sales, production and research. Among all these departments, among all this function, finance is a primary function of any organization. So I can say that financial management is as broad as the company itself. But one point you must keep in your mind, every organization will not have the same, will not adopt the same structure. Every organization will not adopt the same structure. It depends upon the type and the size of the business. I told you, it can be a large scale, small scale, medium scale, or it can be a tiny sector, or it can be an ancillary unit. So every company cannot have the same organizational structure. It varies from one organization to the other organization based on their type, size, and it way it managed. But it is the job of the organization to provide required information for all the levels of management. So when you're able to provide the information to all the levels of management, you're able to achieve your efficiency. You're able to achieve your efficiency. So like we have top level, intermediate middle level, lower level. Who are all the top level? Board of directors, vice presidents, board of the general manager, all these people come in the top management. When you want to talk about the intermediate middle level, I just told you that there are 5 major departments. Again, I'll repeat: finance, HR, marketing, sales, production, and now 6, one more, research. Every department, there is a departmental head. So these departmental heads falls under the intermediate middle level. Now each department will have division. Each division will have section. So the divisional heads and sectional heads will fall under the intermediate middle level. And the lower level is all your foremen, supervisors, superintendent, all these people. So it all depends upon the level of the management. So you see if which level, what type of function. Major decision in the top level, department level is done by the departmental heads, and all other things are done down. You can see here, board of directors, then you have managing director. So managing directors also you can say, we can also say it as we can also use the word called director or presidents. Then you can see production director, purchase director, finance director, personal director, marketing director. Now these have 2 people. One is called a treasurer, other one is called a controller. Now, who's the treasurer? Who's the controller? I want to make some different functions of treasurer and controller. If you see the function of treasurer, they obtain all finance. That it can be a long-term or short-term finance. Banking facility they will do. They do all cash management. Any credit is there, they will collect it. They will do capital budgeting. I told you, the investment. Then contract with investors. And finally, they report to management. Who's the controller? Controlling the accounts. They do internal audit. They administer all the tax, reporting and interpreting, economic appraisal. Economic appraisal is like looking into the economic policy. Then finally, their job is to report to the government. So these are the two people who control. Now, if you see the treasurer, they perform 4 functions which I already told you. Auditing, credit analysis, pension management, cost. This is the latest one. Controller, planning management, cost inventory, profit analysis, accounting and payroll. So you can see how effectively the finance function performs the role. So finance function directors are 2. The 2 people are under their control. One treasurer, other one is controller. And these are all the treasurer's function. These are all the controller's function. Now, are you clear now? And this is one small, this is an example of an organizational structure in a large concern. Are you clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Next. Responsibilities or role, or I can even say role of. Instead of this, I can even put CFO. Who is CFO? Who is CFO?
Chief
Financial Officer.
Chief Financial Officer. So you can see fund requirement estimation, capital structure or financing decision, cash management, capital budgeting, or even you can use the same thing for functions of financial manager. Everything is same. Capital budgeting, investment, you buy the asset where the benefit you get after 1 year, and analyzing your performance, knowing where you stand, take a dividend decision, going for the financial negotiation. That is, a negotiation is a talk. And finally, you see what is the market impact analysis. Where do my company stands in the market? What my company has to do to outstand the other companies. So these are all. So this even you can put it as a primary function or a routine function. Okay, so just have a look of this. This is all very self-explanatory. Are you clear with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This I can even put it as primary functions. But the major one is, which I've told you, market. See, you may have an idea, what is the market impact? To monitor the stock exchange quotation, to see the movement of share prices, and see, judge, and what is the impact of the share price of the firm. Whereas financial negotiation, we can also call this another way as liaison with lenders. Liaisons with lenders. Required to interact, carry out the negotiation with financial institutions, bank, public deposits, all that. Other things I have explained to you, right? Now, the next important thing that you should know is changing scenario of financial management in India. The first one that you have is change in role. What do you mean by change in the role? See, the information age, you get a lot of information. The information age has given a new perspective to the role of financial management and finance manager. Now you can see the chief financial officer, imperative that role of chief financial officer changes from controller to the facilitator. Okay, so nowadays you can see any organization, they don't call anyone as a finance manager, they call it as a chief financial officer. The next one is organizer or facilitator. In this new role, you can see the CFO act as a catalyst. What do you mean by catalyst? Who gives the effective or facilitate the change in the environment. It can be a production or marketing or purchase or any scheduling. So their idea is to succeed their company through self-management team. So they transform the thing which is already there from the old to the new form. The third one is what we call strategic level role. You know why we say the changing scenarios is strategic level? Because the CFO person, they cannot sit in the AC room or sit in the chair, while away the time. They cannot do all that. Talking all some nonsense, all that they should not do. They have to go out, analyze the external environment. Based on whatever the information is available, take a strategic decision. Why do they take? Why they have to analyze the external environment and take a strategic decision? To manage and optimize the firm's cash flow. That is their main job. They have to just go analyze and bring the strategic, take a strategic decision in order mainly to manage and optimize the firm's cash flow. And the last role is knowledge manager. Routine things, capital productivity, cost of capital. What is the value of what is the value per one share? When you purchase a share or you raise the share from any, what is the value? That is the purpose why we do cost of capital. So CFO must develop and sharpen his skill in order to meet the needs of emergency. It should be well focused. You must know what is happening today. You must be how can I set an example that today this is going to happen. Tomorrow he has to predict. Tomorrow this may happen. So we must be well prepared. We must be well prepared. So these are all the 4 changing scenario of financial management in India. You can see changing role of financial officer. Whatever I've told, stockholders focus on investor manner rather than safeguarding and reporting. Formulating the strategy, business strategy, validation, execute it, implement it, all that. Then growth optimization. Principally, historically, you try to look for the growth of the company and you work towards that growth. Wide view of performance. Wide view of performance. Consider all things that is required. Group them and prepare a report, forward inside, look the future. Today my performance is this, how my performance should be there in future. Career progression, the career development, how I have to improve my career, how I have to, in order to reach the higher position. CFO has to see what is next level in this career. So all that he has to do. This is the changing role of Chief Financial Officer. Stakeholders focus, strategy formulation, growth optimization, wide view of performance, forward insight, career progression. Are you clear? Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, this is the role of finance manager in changing scenario of financial management in India. You know, the subject financial management is continuously progressing. So, if you are really a good finance manager, you should see all the updates. What is changing? And not only that, you should be interested to know what sources of funds are developed at national level and international level. What are the projects taken up by the different companies in the current period? What are the amendments done by the government? Okay, so all this you should know. You should know what are the updates, changes in the field of management, where the sources of funds are available both at the national level and international level, what new projects are in the current period going on, what are the amendments by the government. All this you should take into consideration. But before doing all this, you will be responsible for all the financial control of the company, like investment decision, financial decision, capital budgeting, dividend distribution, all you are responsible. So the entire thing will fall on your head. The entire thing will fall on their head. So you must be very, very cautious in handling this. Then you can say he has got the function of raising funds, allocation of funds, profit planning, understanding, all that you can say. But the first changing scenario of financial management in India is interest rate. You know, the interest rate in India are controlled by Reserve Bank of India and other commercial bank rates are affected from RBI action. If you have to ascertain the cost of debt for which, so I'll just give you an example. You want to take a loan. Unless you know what is the current loan going on, you cannot go and ask for the debt. That is the first one. Second one, valuation of shares. You know, generally shares may be valued either at the premium or discount. Premium is the face value. Suppose your share value is 100 rupees. The face value is 100. Suppose I issue the shares at 110 rupees. 10 rupees is premium. Suppose I issue the shares at 90 rupees. 10 rupees is discount. Are you clear or not?
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Can you repeat that last point, sir?
Suppose value of one share is 100 rupees. Got it?
Okay. Okay, one share is 100 rupees.
That is face value.
Face value.
Suppose you issue the shares at 110 rupees.
Okay.
What is that? Premium or discount?
Premium.
10 rupees is premium. The same shares are issued at 90 rupees.
Then 10 rupees is discount, sir.
That's all.
Okay, sir.
To know the details, you should be updated. And the last one, you must be well versed about takeover. Suppose you must not. Suppose somebody, your competitors may lead. They may go for a merge with some other company, which may be a profitable deal for you. So you have to know, update your general knowledge. What is happening today in the market? What is happening today's market? What is happening with that company? With that company has merged with whom? Next, which company can we plan for merging? Merging means two companies join together to form a new company. That is called merging. Are you clear now? So this is the role of finance manager in the changing scenario of financial management in India. Now you can see financial management subject is something that is not on their own. That is not on their own. It is depend upon so many subjects. It gets support from so many subjects. Now you look at that. These are all the things that we have learned in financial management. Investment decision, capital budgeting, all this, I told you so many times, working capital. So you get the primary discipline. Unless accounting and economics supports, you cannot do this. This financial management cannot be done. Unless you have sound knowledge of accounting and economics, these financial management cannot be covered areas. What are the other related disciplines? Marketing. Naturally, when you make a product, you have to market, producing, quantitative matter like OR, research, all that. Now, why you do all this? Why you do all this? In order to get shareholders' wealth maximization. We do all this to get shareholders' wealth maximization. Are you clear? Just look at this picture. So every function, when you relate the financial management to the other areas, you have to talk from the investment point and the decision making. I'll just give an example. If you take finance and production, what will be your investment decision? In production, inventory, stock. What are your purchase policies? If you take a decision making, whether you're going to make the component or buy the, what do you mean by making the product or buying the component? See, I say this 10 rupees, this pen costs 10 rupees. I say this pen costs 10 rupees. The 10 rupees is not a single cost. I told you already. Material can be 5, labor can be 4, other expenses can be 1. 5 plus 4 plus 1. Suppose, see, whenever, see, material labor can be the direct variable cost, whereas overheads can be the indirect expense. Indirect expense, suppose, I'll give an example. You want to produce 1,000 units this month. You pay manager's salary 10,000. Next month you produce only 5 units. Same salary is going to be given. So irrespective of that, fixed expense has to be incurred. Suppose 4 plus 5. If I buy this component, it is 9 rupees for making this pen. The same component, if I make, it is only 6 rupees. 4 rupees for your material and 2 rupees for the labor. So if I have to take a decision, I will make the product. So if I make the product, 3 rupees is I'm saving. This is called make or buy decision. So like this, you take some decision, and the last PPT, last slide will be, there are so many financial distress. What is financial distress? Company is struggling hard. The company cannot make enough profit. Their liabilities are more. They have to settle a lot of obligations, but they cannot generate. That is called financial distress, where companies struggling to make income, struggling to make money to meet its obligation. Obligation is the liability what you have to pay others. What are the reason? Cumulative loss due to industry facing down. And what is happening now due to corona? Cash flow. Cash flow is speed at which money comes and go. Money just comes like that and it goes. Change in tax. Your custom duties may be more. New legislation may come. High expensive and low sales. You spend more. I told you, no, maximize the sales, minimize the cost, you'll get maximum profit. You don't know how to trap your debt. You got so much of debt which you cannot settle. And you are not much well versed about the accounting practices. So all these are the reasons for the financial distress. Now, what are the tips to overcome this distress? Suppliers' trust. Win the suppliers' trust. Prove them who you are. Creditors, don't break promise. Take the money from them, pay it at the right time. Chase the debtors. Who's the debtor? Who's the creditor? Debtor is something that takes place with sales. Creditor is purchase. Debtor, see. I'll just tell now. Gokul. Gokul.
Debtors means you need to pay the company, right?
Wait, man, I'll finish it. Is not there. Ankit Yadav. Ankit Yadav. Not there. Om Sanjay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you respond to me, Sanjay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to tell you about who's a debtor, who's a creditor.
Okay, sir.
Which we call it in the accounts debit credit.
Okay, sir.
I sell this pen to you. Okay, Om.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But the pen has come to you.
Okay.
I have not taken any money from, I have not received any money from me.
And it means that you give me a pen,
See,
but I haven't given you the money.
You have received the benefit, but you have not paid me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So who's a debtor? I am a debtor or you are a debtor? And who's a
So
creditor?
sir, I would be the creditor and you would be in the debt because you haven't received any money.
You all clear now, Balakrishnan? Balakrishnan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you clear now? So I'll be the debtor, you will be the creditor.
Okay, sir.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And take advice when during the crisis. Okay. So, 1 minute. So, with this, I have completed unit 1. Rishita,
Yes, sir.
open your mail.
Yes, sir.
Have you received the PPT for unit 1?
It hasn't. I haven't yet, sir.
See now?
No, sir.
Got it?
No, sir. In both of the mails, I haven't received yet.
I've sent it, ma. Okay, when it comes, you can share it in the group.
Sure, sir. As soon as I receive, I'll put in the group.
Yes. Now, first I will take the Yeah. Rogan,
Yes, sir.
your role is now. I'm going to make you a presenter.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I had a doubt.
Yes, Prince.
Yeah, in your case, if you like the creditor and debitor thingy, if you lend someone a pen, then you'll be the creditor, right? You're giving someone
No,
some
man.
credit.
He's purchasing. Sanjay is purchasing. I'm selling, man.
Okay, okay. In that case, okay, okay. That was the only doubt. That was
Yeah, supplier. I'm the customer.
okay, okay, okay. That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, you can present, man. Yeah, listen here. Unit 1 I have completed. PPT is there in your WhatsApp group. Check.
Yes, sir. I'll present.
That is. That is my. You understand? That is my speed. So you save it and keep it. Can you zoom it?
Sir, it's in sheet. Yes, sir. Just a second.
Yeah, it's all.
Sir, it's the count is 65 members, so 7 members have still not filled it.
So, no, 70 only the number is.
Okay, then 5 people have not filled it, sir.
So you talk to Rishita. Who's your team member?
Sir, my team members are Balakrishnan, Rishita, Jonathan, Akshaya.
No, man. Who's going to help you in
Sir,
Acha, the
me,
project thing, that's
Tanvi.
Tanvi.
Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
I will do one thing, Tanvi. I'll make you as a class rep
Okay, sir.
and make Rishita as a project coordinator because already she worked for the project coordinator, so she'll have some idea. Or you want to learn?
I'd rather learn
Yes.
if
then you
that's
can-
okay.
Yeah, Rogan is a capable guy. Or Rogan?
Okay, sir, if you say so.
No, I'm saying, man. Anyway, Tanvi also can learn things. Okay, Tanvi, please. So, Rogan and Tanvi just have a word to Rishita. She will just tell you how to be done. Last time she made a very good Excel sheet and gave me. If you want, you can ask her to forward the last year's Excel sheet. Same way, prepare and the topic. Okay. Any doubts on the topic? Anyway, I'm going to arrange one expert next week. He'll be guiding you on the topic. Yeah. Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, just one thing. A lot of people have filled the form as solo projects also. Is that okay?
Solo project.
Yes, sir. Like single members, even 2
Actually,
members.
that is
People have.
not allowed, man. Indra,
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
tomorrow some objections will come if you don't mind. Can I know the reason why you? No, I'm not telling that you should not do. Can I know the reason why you are doing it alone?
Sir, I want to experience more on the project, so I would like, I prefer single projects.
Actually. So you don't want to come
Yes.
in with anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, approve it, man.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I'm not in any of the teams, sir. Actually, it's just trying to contact everyone, but everyone is saying that
Sir, I am also not.
Who's that?
Yeah,
Naveen
sir.
Gupta.
Yes, sir, Naveen Gupta, sir.
Naveen Gupta, you please go to. How many are there in your team, Rogan?
Sir, there are already 7 people, sir.
Who asked
Sir,
you to
even-
take 7?
Sir, I talked to you now.
Okay.
No, sir, even I am not there in any group.
Don't return me, man.
So what?
Sir, yes, sir. Same, sir. I'm also
I'm
not in any
saying,
group. I'll talk
I'm,
today and
Rogan, I'm saying, don't threaten me.
No, sir.
Dinesh. Yeah, first of
Yes,
all,
sir.
Dinesh has did a good job yesterday. Thank you, Dinesh. Dinesh, thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah, Dinesh, how many are there in your team, Dinesh?
I'm doing solo, sir. Same. I don't know how to join. I don't know people here. I'm fresh.
So
Okay.
5 people are doing it solo.
Okay, combine everyone except Indra.
But sir, all of the topics are not same. Like for these 2 people,
It's
the
okay, man.
topics are.
They can manage.
Okay, sir.
Except Indra. Indra has made a request. You combine everyone. Naveen Gupta, that is okay, Naveen Gupta.
Yeah, sir, it's okay for me, sir.
Yeah, now you take the numbers who are all there
Sir.
and talk. You
Yes,
take all
sir.
the numbers,
Excuse me,
you
sir.
talk to them.
This is.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. This is Tanya Rusu, sir. So,
Yeah.
I've applied for solo project. Like, I want to do solo, sir. Like, I have few ideas. So I wanted to do it solo.
See, how many teams can I have, man? You tell me. Actually, the norms does not permit. Everybody started means how many teams are there, man?
So like solo or total?
Total, how many teams?
19 till now.
19, man. You just imagine how can I fix the time for conducting the reviews? Then anybody wants to do it on your own?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, will it be fine if I do with my other friends? Like they are already 6 members, so we will be 7. If you allow, I can go with them.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Will you please
Whoever
add
this
me
is,
on the
kindly.
17th list?
Yes.
Which one are you? This
Rohan?
one. Yeah,
Rohan,
this.
I'm the last one. 19, maybe 1213. Please add me to the 17th list.
Okay,
So
1213.
please reconsider the people who are doing it on your own. Just understand see, it's nothing for me, but I have to, it's going to become a long process. I'm not discouraging you from doing it on your own as a solo, but I don't know whether suppose that if some objection comes, then I'm answerable. Anyway, if nothing, it cannot be done. No, sir, I want to do it only solo means okay, I'm allowing you, please. But, okay, please
Sorry
go ahead.
to disturb you, sir. Sir,
No
even
more,
I am not.
anybody wants to do solo? Hello. So who are all the 5 people not in any team? Can you just raise your hands, please? Who are all 5 people? Please know I will, Rogan.
Yes, sir.
I will send you the mail of the list, the latest list.
Okay, sir.
You verify and tell me on the Rogan, what is the mail ID, Rogan?
Sir, I'll message it to you. So
No, you just tell me, no time. You just tell me.
Yes, sir. ROHAN.NANDY.
NANDY.
2019
019
@vitstudent.ac.in.
VIT student array ROHAN.NANDY 2019 at VIT
student.ac.in. So there is only one dot that is after Rohan.
Okay. VIT student.ac.in. Yeah. I am just attaching the latest sheetman.
Okay, sir.
Check and just tell who's not there. And talk to Rishita. Talk to, what is her name? Rishita, send me the attendance, the absentees.
Yes, sir. Sir, 70 attendees it's showing, but 2 people didn't responded you when you asked. I'll send you their name.
When you?
Sir, like it's showing 70 attendees, but 2 people didn't responded you when you asked them the
That's
question.
okay, ma. That's okay, ma. I have sent you the latest list.
No, sir.
Yeah. I have sent now. Based on this, you give me the absentees every class. Suddenly one day I will take the class.
Okay, sir.
I've sent now.
Okay, sir.
So Rogan, I've sent you the list.
Yes, sir.
And talk to Rishita, Tanvi. Tanvi,
Yes, sir.
you and Rogan kindly talk to Rishita, get the format, arrange it in the serial wise number, registration number wise, arrange it in the registration number wise, put team 1, team 2, team 3 on Thursday, last 10 minutes you have to report who's team 1, who's team 2, who's team 3. All you can share it in the group. Thaniyarasu?
Sir, yes, sir.
பேருக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரியே இருக்க தனியாரசு தனியா தான் நிப்பேங்கிற போயிட
Sir.
சார் பரவாயில்ல பண்ணு யூ கேன் டூ.
Oh, thank you, sir. Yes.
Sir, should I join any of the teams, sir, in which day 6 member also, sir?
Yeah, please do it. Thaniyarase.
Sir, yes, sir.
Can I give you one small request?
Sure, sir.
Can you take Naveen Gupta and train him?
Train? Sir, what should I train?
Sir, actually, I have joined the team, sir. Actually, I asked one of my friends, I joined.
Okay, then Thaniyarasu can do it on your own.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But no more. Indra, Thaniyarasu, you are going to be, but I'll put your review on the same timing for both of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You have to come for same time. 15 minutes, sir. Each 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes I'll give you. That's all. Because I cannot spend more time because 19 teams, when do I complete? Okay. So, Rogan and Tanvi, please finalize it. Before you come to the next class, all 70 names should be there in the what is called as in the teams, nicely planned. And Rishita, you can send last year's to the Rogan and Tanvi, what you did last semester.
Okay,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
just one request to everybody, like everyone is messaging regarding the team. So whatever your new team is, kindly fill the form and then tell. Okay, it's not possible to add everybody and remove everybody. So whatever is your final team, just fill the form again with that and then you can let me know.
Rogan, can I ask you one more thing, Rogan, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
Please send them one more Google sheet.
Okay, sir. Okay, then a new one. Okay. Yes,
yeah, no confusion. Further
Yes.
confusion.
Sure, sir.
Send the Rogan, you send the Google sheet. Finally, let them send. The count should come to 70.
All right, sir.
Okay. Thank you. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Sir, hello.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Balakrishna.
Yeah, regarding that Monday's class only, sir, you told that like time change, no, sir, but many of them are doing, but there is no clear majority.
Balakrishna, நீ எந்த ஏரியால இருக்க?
நான் வந்துட்டு மாம்பலம் ஏரியால.
நான் இங்க ஒரு ஃபிளாட் எடுத்துறலாம்னு இருக்கேன்.
என்னாச்சு சார்?
இல்ல பக்கத்துல இருந்து உனக்கு எல்லாம் கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிடுவேனே.
சார் இது கிளாரிஃபை இல்ல சார், இது ஒரே ஒரு இது இப்போ வந்துட்டு லைக் அதுல வந்து கிளியர் மெஜாரிட்டி இல்ல. அது லைக் கிளியர் மெஜாரிட்டி இல்ல சார். இப்போ ஒரு கிளியர் மெஜாரிட்டி இருந்தா சரி இந்த டைம் எல்லாரும் வந்துருங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம். சோ அந்த ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் ஸ்லாட் இப்போ கிளியரா இல்ல. ஒன்னு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா சார்,
you have to talk in English, Balakrishnan, because there are so many people who don't know Tamil.
Yeah, so as there is no clear timing majority, either two things we can do. Either we can keep it as such at 5:40 to 6:30, or else like yesterday how we did, like 1 to 150, all the people were available, right? So they came and attended the class. So if that timing is
objection. Okay, I am ready. 1 to 150, I will, if I want to take, I'll take, but it should not upset their lunch time. Confirm that and you please tell me.
Yeah. So for that now I will put a poll and then let them reply on that. And
it should not disturb their lunch time. That is my idea. If they say no sir, no sir, we don't want 5:40 to 6:30 sir, we will take from 1 to 150 sir, we are comfortable, means see their choice is yours.
Okay, sir. I wanted to confirm with you, sir.
Yeah,
whether
you
are
confirm and tell me. And
okay, sir.
Rogan, kindly send one more sheet, get it done, and share the sheet before you come for the class in the group with the topics and any clarification on the topic. Last 10 minutes on Thursday, we'll have a discussion. And next week, I've invited a guest who will come and brief you on all the topic before review 1. It's okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.